Hello everyone! So, today is lunch o'clock time again and we have pinakbet. This kind of fish is came from Ilocos region and it consists of vegetables like squash, eggplant, palaya or bitter melon, okra, string beans, and tomato.
Sometimes you can also add shrimp paste to the lunch for more flavor.
Usually they use shrimp. They after eat vegetables. They like it.
Yeah.
How was it?
It's very good. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
And it's healthy. But it's better to not overcook the vegetables.
Very good.
Do you usually cook this in your home?
Yeah, my father. It's full of vegetables, so it's good for everyone who wants to. It's more who takes care more of their health.
Is this one of your favorite?
Not really.
And sometimes you can also put a slice of meat, like pork. But what about it? Always the best. That's all for today's video. See you again next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.